Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mega Minion Dave from Despicable Me 4. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then let's add angled lines inside at the top. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve. And another one inside. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, let's add the goggles around the eyes. Let's start on top of the center and let's draw a curve out and around on the left. And the same on the right side. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the body. Let's start by drawing a long curve on top. Then from both ends, we're going to bring it down, angling it in like this. And then close off the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move back in and let's draw the straps of the goggles by drawing 2 curves out on both sides. Next, let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start with a large upside down curve underneath in the center. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a border in the same way. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve down on an angle. And then a curve underneath. Now inside the mouth, let's add the teeth. Let's draw a rounded rectangle shape from the top. And the same thing, working our way out. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's add the overalls. Let's start on the sides underneath the goggles and let's draw 2 long curves down and in. And then close off the end of each one. Now inside, let's add a circle at the ends. Now in between the straps, let's draw a curve across. Then underneath on both sides, let's bring it down and curve it out. And then another curve on top. Now let's hop in and let's draw the pocket. Let's start with a curve across near the top. And then a curve underneath. Now on the pocket, let's draw a circle. And then add the letter M inside. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and draw the arms. On the top left, let's draw 2 bumps going out. And the same on the right side. And then a vertical curve at the end. Now underneath, let's draw a curve out and bring it up. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's draw a longer curve across. And then a small angle up and in from the inside line. And then a longer one from the outside. Now let's draw the fingers. On top of the inside line, let's draw a curve down and out. Then a small curve. And then from the outside line, let's bring it up and in. Now for the next finger, let's curve it up and bring it over to close off the hand. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with a curve down on the left and on the right. Then let's hop in and let's draw a longer curve next to it. Then curves across inside for the tops of the boots. Now underneath the outside line, let's curve it out and down for the tops of the shoes. And then close it off at the bottom. Now underneath, let's add the soles. Let's draw a line down from the front and back. Then from the heel, let's bring it out and a V-shaped point up. And then one more curve to close off each foot. And that's it for Mega Minion Dave. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!